What's up everyone? Today we're gonna do a product review of the INGCO 20-volt lithium cordless drill. As we can see on the box, we get the 20-volt battery, which is interchangeable with over 60 plus products or tools from the INGCO lineup, which is great. We can use it on 60 other products. We also get one intelligent charger and one 20-volt 2 amp an hour battery, which will definitely do the job. If we want more power, we can always get the 4 amp battery, but this thing should do the job. Let's unbox it. As we can see in the box, we have the manual for this product. We get our warranty. I think on this device should be 12 months. We get the 20-volt 2 amp an hour battery. As you can see, it's said it's shareable, so we can use it on 60 plus other tools, which is great. Here we have the charger, which we plug it in the battery. As you can see, red light flashing means low battery, green means it's full. This button also helps us check the level of the battery. If I press it, as you can see, this thing has, let's say, 85% of the battery. We also have here the charger. In my case, is the 22-volt Euro plug. For your country, it may be different. As you can see, here we have the male plug, which goes in here. That's how we charge it. And here we have the most important thing, the tool itself. As we can see, it has 15 speeds. We can change the speed also here. As you can see, first speed is 400 RPMs per minute, or revolutions, how you want to put it. Okay, let me zoom. Come on, man, zoom. Focus. As we can see, the second speed is 1500 revolutions per minute. The product that I'm reviewing today was built in 2019. As we can see, first speed. You can see the tool. Also, I'll show you another product that I have, which has the brushless motor. Unfortunately, the product today that I'm reviewing, it has a DC motor that is not brushless. So I'm sorry, I'm doing this one hand. I don't have a tripod with me at the moment. As you can see, this is the battery. And one more thing I forgot to mention, with all these INGCO products, we have a very bright LED flashlight. As you can see, this thing is very bright. And for today, this was only an unboxing video. In the next one, we're gonna see the performance of this thing. And as always, thanks for watching. If you like the video, put a comment down, like the video, share it. subscribe for more, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye.